Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you the top 5 best open source Flutter projects. Reading a lot of code is one of the best ways to improve your programming skills. Open source projects are a great place to learn about best practices, coding styles, and many other topics. One of the most popular software development fields today is cross-platform mobile app development. Flutter is one of the most popular cross-platform mobile app development tools you can use. Today, we will explore 5 open source Flutter projects that can help you become a better Flutter developer. Okay, let's go. Top 1. Invoice Ninja Admin Portal. The Invoice Ninja Admin Portal is a cutting-edge web-based application developed using Flutter, offering businesses a centralized system for efficiently managing their invoices, payments, clients, and products, services. Designed to complement the Invoice Ninja mobile and web apps, this robust portal can also serve as a standalone solution, empowering businesses with comprehensive management capabilities. The key features of the app consist of a customizable dashboard that displays key metrics such as outstanding invoices, payments received, and more. Create, send, and manage invoices with automated payment reminders, customizable templates, and multiple payment gateways. Generate and share cost estimates with potential clients, which can be swiftly converted into invoices using a single click. Manage client information, including contact details, billing address, and payment history. Creates a database of products and services offered by the business, with the ability to assign prices and taxes. Generates reports on financial performance, including revenue, expenses, and taxes. Provides a diverse range of payment processing options with multiple gateways, such as PayPal, Stripe, and more. Top 2. Open Food Facts. Open Food Facts is a remarkable open-source mobile application designed to assist users in making informed and healthier food choices. By providing comprehensive information about the nutritional value and ingredients of various products, this app aims to promote conscious consumption. The key features of the app consist of effortlessly scan barcodes to retrieve detailed information on food products. Access the vast Open Food Facts database, housing nutritional data for millions of global food products. User-contributed data and ratings offer valuable insights for making informed purchasing decisions. Multilingual support enhances accessibility for users worldwide. Ad-free experience without any user data tracking. Top 3. Fwitter. Fwitter is an open-source Flutter application that aims to replicate the core features and functionality of the popular social media platform, Twitter. Built with Flutter, Fwitter provides a platform for developers to understand and implement key aspects of a social media app using Flutter's cross-platform capabilities. The key features of the app consist of user authentication with email, password, or Google authentication. Explore the home timeline displaying tweets from followed users. Verified user badges for enhanced credibility and authenticity. Dive into detailed tweet views with user information, timestamps, and likes. Engage in conversations with commenting and nested thread functionality. Stay up to date with real-time updates for likes and comments. Compose and share your thoughts with character-limited tweets. Enhance your tweets with media attachments like images and videos. Personalize your profile and explore others' profiles. Use instant messaging to communicate with other users of the app. Receive notifications for likes and mentions. Discover popular trends with trending hashtags and hashtag search functionality. Top 4. Metrix App. The Metrix App is a captivating educational game developed using the versatile Flutter framework. Designed for both Android and iOS devices, this app is dedicated to enhancing users' math skills, with a particular focus on multiplication and division. The key features of the app consist of allows educational gameplay which encourages users to practice math skills. Users can choose the difficulty level. Track users' progress levels with time. Has a simple and responsive user interface that makes it easy to navigate and play. Top 5. Natrium. Natrium is a widely used open-source cryptocurrency wallet application specially designed for managing nano-cryptocurrency. Developed using Flutter and powered by the Dart programming language, Natrium offers a seamless user experience for securely storing and transacting with Nano. The app's backend system is built on Python, leveraging the reliability of the Redis server for enhanced security and stability. Available for download on Google Play Store, Apple Store, desktop, and website. The key features of the app consist of modern and user-friendly UI design with the option of a dark theme for prolonged usage. Support for biometric authentication, ensuring secure access to the wallet. Convenient QR code sharing mechanism for receiving Nano. Streamlined contact management for easy and quick transactions. Push notification service for real-time updates and notifications on received Nano currency. So today we explored 5 useful open-source Flutter projects together. I hope these projects have provided you with ideas and experience to develop your first Flutter apps. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to follow more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Please leave a comment letting me know which open source Flutter projects you like the most. Don't forget to share this video with friends who are also passionate about Flutter. See you in the next videos.